If there's no people to help you, don't worry, because no people help you, this is very natural. People help you, this is unnatural. That I found a lot of successful people in this world. Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, I met all of them. I found one good quality they have, that they never complain. When other people complain, that's the opportunity. I would say is that we always have to learn from the mistakes the other people make, not necessarily learn from the successful stories. To be successful, there are a lot of reasons, but to fail, there are only a few reasons. You should have an idea. You should have a dream. The idea is about what are the things that you can do the other people cannot do. What are the things that you can do better than the others? What are the things that you can do differently from the others? When most people say this, you should think about why not that. When most people say that, you should think about why not this. You have to be different. Nobody is Superman. If you want to be successful, you have to be realistic. You have to focus. You have to work with team. You have to be optimistic for the future. I don't want to tell you that I'm smarter than you are. I don't think I'm smart. I failed 3 times for universities. I never succeed in pass good examinations. But the thing we do is I never give up. I fail, I try again, I fail, I try again, I fail, I try again until we succeed. You should start to play the best game online that is making money doing business. And don't worry too much about artificial intelligence is going to take away people's job. People will always be wiser than the machines. Oh, people say, impossible to do business in Vietnam. Let me tell you, this is the best opportunity for you. If everything is ready, why they need you? Young people, remember this thing. Don't be disappointing when you are rejected. Don't be disappointing. Don't be sad when you fail. This is the test of your life. If you pass that test, you get stronger. If cry can help me to solve this problem, I will cry every day. I don't believe in Superman. I believe the super fighting spirit of don't give up. Money is important. Without money, nobody happy. But only money cannot make you real happy in your heart. You have to have the achievement. That when you looking for partners, try not to invite your friends into your company. Most people in this world, we can be friends, but we can never be partners. It's not that you make the team succeed. It's the team make you succeed. It's the people who working together make you succeed. If you are 20 to 30 years old, you should find a good boss, not necessarily a good company. A good boss is better than a good company. A lot of good companies do not have a lot of bosses. Find a good boss, learn from him. If you are 30 to 40 years old, you want to do something yourself, just do it. When you're 40 to 50 years old, you have to do something that you are good at. Yeah. After so many years, you have to do something you really love it, you can do good, do better. When you are 50 to 60 years old, you should give opportunity to young people. Develop, train young people. When you are over 60 years old, spend the time with your grandchildren. One day when you do business or do whatever, if you don't know, it's not shameful. But if you don't know, but you pretend you know, it is very shameful.